Hey everybody, just a quick recap from geometry as well. Parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines are where the slopes are equal, they never intersect. So in this particular example on the left, you've got a slope of 2 for both those lines. And I showed you that in both standard form and slope-intercept form. You could rearrange the standard form to find the slope as well, or look at the graph. Perpendicular lines, on the other hand, they do intersect. Most lines do intersect, but these ones very specially intersect in a 90-degree angle, perpendicular. Their slopes have to be opposite reciprocals, such as 2/5 and -5/2 are considered opposite reciprocals. One's positive, one's negative, and they are reflections of themselves as fractions. So, and then another two examples, y equals 5x minus 3, its reciprocal as a slope -1/5, and you can see that right there. The next thing we'll look at is vertical and horizontal lines. Okay, so for vertical and horizontal lines, very basic. Vertical lines go up and down. Their formulas are always x equals some number. There's two examples here, x equals 3 and x equals -5, as you can see on the blue graph. All vertical lines have undefined slope or infinite slope. They're so steep, they keep going up. Meanwhile, horizontal lines are not steep at all. They're very flat, so their slope is actually equal to 0. And horizontal lines, they do have a y-intercept, so therefore their y equals a number, such as y equals 3 or y equals -5. So 0 slope or slope equal to 0, but they do have a y-intercept. So it's kind of an interesting way of seeing that equation.